Menteri Rangba kejala konrad ke sangma menta kasi kakatnyo terek penai nopra arajar arpuai ulasam lagi cek ke bolong kum kalun bakhlem non kampansiu ya ke interest ya ke cooperative society bo pair jong kakasi bat gentiles ha ka jelang ke bolong state convention center Shillong ha ka jingdon lang rengkat bo menteri sarkar beripe ya ketenat animal husband and veterinary ba sanbor sulai ya kini lapenlong da Kamegalia livestock enterprise advancement society ke badai lang ba jong Kamegalia piggery mission bat kamil mission ki saupo tuli ki cooperative society jong kamil mission ki bayok pediang ya kalun kalong khat ar kro ar polang kat ba ki shispa tli ki cooperative society hapo ka kamris niang kalong khat pa kro san phulai lang nakaliang jong ba san bor sulai ubade menteri sarkar bade pe ya katanat animal husbandry and veterinary habakran ha ka jelang ulo ong ka jala meglia ha ka sisnem ka jusania baik na ki wei ki jala non ra yusniang kalong khat pra hajar metric ton bat kapisa ka bali chabar ban thir niang kalong laispa pra pahuklo tingka ha ka sisnem
But layo yang dijintip bagi layo poin terasni bagi layo ya akan kalun kebalong zero interest. Benar kamu zero interest, yang interest juga nsiu dengan sorkar MDA juga. Te pilati bibin kadang-kadang skim ngandai ngasusim ya kagumnya. Ya kadang-kadang skim lembaga development pensayo ya kadang-kadang lun lembaga CTS. Nak bentang ban perkrau ban penmi ya kadut ngilayo apa jera aduh arspa katsan kro na ban ri ya kisnyang bagi orang pikir mission ya kan ngiyo aduh arspa kandai kro tekung pengalapatai bimdan ka ban siu interest ka state government apa ka MDA government kan siu ya kan interest ka jumpi te daga kini ki cooperative societies pinyo yang kena free interest loan nanti nabenta kena ban permi kadut kini ki cooperative societies pinyo anu cikrur kawai ke society kum kalun ban ri iki masih nabenta ban risnya kita arja ki kategori kawai ke breeding units kau ika fattening units. Beli pengasong ya pi punya tracetong nomor ba ngar ya di akadim juga ngasih ba waru beli berpu yang tiba tracetong beli juga no upe ukmi waktu tracetong ubersat berpu yang pi kio ngar muntah ngayaga hakmat jumbi hapersat jumbi muntah ngar muntah tengah simini kamu beri tracetong Prime Minister juga Narendra Modi PTB kumno poi banong haru Chief Minister juga Gujarat suki terus tahu boleh berkuah dulu Prime Minister juga joki warna Hasanda juga railway station udi syara berubah di Samsya di Jaruk Solo haru dorong Chief Minister haru dorong Prime Minister Dr. Liet Abdul Karim body kubur mangga setiap karun tipisa wahai paulum utris tamu belum simli ina harun dorong saintis dorong presiden juga di India tengah runga simba bitris tamu belum dorongka ban perpu ebi naga skim opinio penses ban krau bitris tamu belum berku but mo kumbol jaktin nongway go from ocean depth to mountain top then you have to change in the new year of 2022 change no kelano arthapur kelano tristom kelano banyak tristom banyak tuan banyak bisnis kan keraibi bayar pateng saja beri ujungi the time is right that we have to eradicate ya kadang-kadang ya bisnis ya dung ya sopramani
na kaliang menteri Rangba kejala konrad ke sangma habakran na kejelang kumukong san ulak kentu ya baro kiblayo ya kejingirap na sarkar bakim dei ban perlut ne peron kam bakalai bisa bayo jirap henry kidei ban tribha kenang ban la ban kentiu ya kayo kot kejungki
approximately government used to spend about 9,500 crores to 10,000 crores every year. That is the total expenditure by the government of Meghalaya. Today, after 4 years, we are close to touching 15,000 crores annually. That is a jump in expenditure of almost 33% in the expenditure of the government, and there are multiple reasons for it. In terms of the central schemes, just a small scheme, not small, but just one example, say PMGSY. That in the last 3 years, 4 years, we have been able to build 5 times the roads which were built in the last 10, 15 years. Which means 5 times more expenditure under PMGSY. More than thousands and thousands, almost touching 2,000 crores. NRGS alone, job card alone, when we were at 600, we are at 1,400, 1,500 today. So similarly, many other central schemes, their expenditure has gone up 5-fold, 10-fold in terms of what the government is doing. In terms of also financing, utilizing our finances better within the state government by ensuring we take maximum benefit out of centrally sponsored schemes as well as the loan amount that we are given, and managing our finances better so that we can take more additional funding in terms of loan also has helped us to increase our expenditure. The externally aided projects, maybe we may be one of the few states, or I should say we are one of the few states which gets one of the highest funding from externally aided projects. This is like projects from World Bank, from the ADB, from KFW, from the JICA, from New Development Bank. All these different kind of agencies which provide the externally aided projects. Meghalaya receives one of the highest amounts in the last 4 years compared to any other, especially Northeast states, and maybe one of the highest in the country also.